Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in a little towny village called La Camella. It's literally a 5-minute drive away from Los Cristianos, just down the road there. We're between, let's say, La Florida, Valle San Lorenzo, Cabo Blanco, I don't know if you know those areas, and then down into Los Cristianos. And La Camella has, in fact, it's got a bank, it's got a petrol station, a couple of restaurants, no major supermarkets, but a supermarket 5-minute drive away. And today we're going to be looking at a 1-bedroom apartment. There's no swimming pool. It's got a lift in the building, so there's no swimming pool. The community fees are really low because there's no swimming pool. And the apartment was actually totally refurbished in 2018. So it looks really nice and modern. Got this great kitchen behind me as well. So let's have a look around. So as we come in here through the main door, our first view is of a door that leads out onto a balcony there, and then lounge area. Directly on the left hand side we've got this modern kitchen, really nice. Got the electric hood there, it's electric hob, electric oven, easy clean kitchen there, that. Nice and modern, L-shaped sofa, just what everyone wants. Nice television. Double bedroom here with fitted wardrobes. And a nice modern bathroom. Now this has been totally refurbished and looks really nice. There's a shower there with a glass door. And all of this furniture is going to be staying. Pretty much everything you see. We'll be taking as personal items, but that's about it. And then outside here, we've got a really nice view up to the mountains up here. I think that mountain there is Roca del Conde. And then you've got Arona up here as well. Really nice apartment. Could be a great investment as well for rental, and because we've got the hospital just down the road here, right on the bus main routes as well, so easy to get into Los Cristianos, Las Americas if you're working in the towns there. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.